is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Facilities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For bookings or more details, follow the description. If you are facing any random problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming